Introducing Blast Hub, the plug-and-play solution for all your sandblasting needs. Blast Hub sandblasting chambers are designed to handle large objects of all shapes and sizes. Available in 4 different sizes, the interior can be customized to your needs. What sets Blast Hub apart is its quick and easy installation, with no additional building required, allowing you to start sandblasting right away. It can be set up indoors or outdoors, and the reinforced floors are designed to support forklift traffic. With Blast Hub, you can use any type of blasting media, making it a versatile solution for all your sandblasting needs. The integrated filtration and separation system ensures efficient operation and a clean work environment. Recycles an abrasive, so can be reused. Removes contaminants and maintaining excellent blasting quality. We can provide different media collecting options such as partial, full floor or scraper recovery system. Additionally, Blast Hub offers a wide range of optional equipment. Blast Hub, the smart and efficient sandblasting solution for your business.
Tehnik, a passion for surfaces.